So, what is a value-added distribution? Value-added distribution is a partner. It's a partnership. In a partnership, you actually share the pain areas of your partner. So we call this as a value-added distribution. So we add value to the partner, to our partners and the principals. Depends upon the partner. Some partners need a value add in coverage. Some partner need a value add in expansion. Some partner need a value add in the number of width distribution. So it's all about value add. It depends upon the brand. We talk and we bring value on the table. So we talk about it's a build to order value add. So it's a value add definition is it's a very conservative definition. We'll look at it. So value add is an ocean. You can't have a value add for you. I have a different value add, for him I have a different value add in the system. So we define value add basis the partner. That's what we look at a value add. I want to talk about my competition right now, but I want to only say what we do. What we do is that we own end to end. We for example, you are a brand. We say you give us, we'll own end to end for you. We own end to end in the sense starting from the source to the collection in terms of marketing, brand building, etc. Everything. We own end to end. We are not a logistics and fulfillment company. We own end to end for our customer, for our partner. Look, the only bottleneck I feel in technology bottleneck is all about the internet speed in tier 3 and tier 4 towns. So in tier 1 and tier 2 towns, the bottleneck is not the technology. This is completely, you have any technology, depends upon what you want to buy or you want to have. You have the technology on the plate. So technology is not the bottleneck. I see it's a big enabler as far as technology is concerned, right? Customers, the first challenge which I feel, or not only we as a partner community, we feel that our knowledge, it's like a doctor. If you're a good doctor, if you diagnose it well, you will write a right prescription. But if you don't know, if you don't have a knowledge, you lack knowledge, or at times you don't know and you don't understand what is the business which you are in, or what is the right medicine for this what is the right medicine for this disease, you can't do that. So it's important, first is the right diagnosis. So for the right diagnosis, you need a great knowledge of that domain. So I feel that right knowledge in the channel fraternity is one area of concern where they are not updated in right technology. So that's one thing which is there, which can be improved by the right training program by the vendors, by the people. You need to push the channel to get them the right answer, and to the channel fraternity is that get well prepared before you go and do the call. It's not a box selling, no more a box selling anymore. It's all about solution selling to the people, and you can't fool a customer now. This customer is also trying to be very educated. So changing business opportunity, cloud is one. I see a very big opportunity on cloud because the entire world is going on cloud right now, and cloud is one area where partner customers is one. Second, the distribution is also transforming towards cloud because large giants are going towards cloud. Third, in terms of you take it SMB or you take it consumer, the big challenge threat is coming from the online business, e-commerce. So shift is happening through, one is right experience, second is coming through cloud, third is coming to the whole distribution is going towards the cloud business right now. That's how I feel the change.
Your suggestion?
So suggestion is, we need to keep our grounds intact. We should have our blue ocean strategy intact and say, keep our customers, happy so that they don't leave you. It's important to retain a customer right now. It's a night now. It's good to retain the customer. Yeah, so global right now is a $1.25 billion US group, and we are based out of Dubai, headquarters Dubai, and we are present in more than 20 countries right now. Being a multinational, our India contribution is close to around 32% as on this year. So we are going very fast. So India is a very focused market for global, worldwide, and is a very strategic market for global worldwide.